This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Scopus through your institution or personal account so you can see full source metadata. Once logged in, click the Sources tab and type the journal title or paste the ISIN. Using ISIN gives exact matches. Make sure to apply quick filters like subject area, publisher, or language to reduce noise, because similar titles often appear. This first step gets you to the candidate journals immediately and avoids time wasted browsing article results. Now open the journal record to inspect why it matters. Scopus lists coverage years, title variants, subject areas, and metrics like SJR and site score, so you understand scope and impact. Once you review document types and indexing coverage, you can determine whether the journal fits your needs. If results still include similarly named titles, make sure to filter by ISIN or publisher. This disambiguates records. Use those details to decide whether to search inside that specific source or save it for later. Finish by searching inside the chosen journal or run an advanced search using SRC title, exact journal title, for precise retrieval. This helps you pull only articles from that source. Once you have results, save the journal to your profile, set alerts for new content, or export metadata and article lists for analysis. If you can't find the journal, try title variants, enter the ISIN, clear any restrictive filters, and confirm your institution's subscription. Those steps usually resolve access or discovery problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.